In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a Google Drive folder. While Google Drive offers a wealth of tools for organization and file sharing, making a direct copy of an entire folder isn't straightforward. However, there's a simple workaround that ensures all your files are duplicated into a new folder effortlessly. Let's dive into the process together, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main screen where all your files and folders are displayed. Now here's the thing, Google Drive doesn't have a native feature to directly duplicate an entire folder, so our first task is to create a new folder that will serve as the destination for our copied files. To create this new folder, look toward the top left corner of your screen and click on the New button. From the drop-down menu, select New Folder. A prompt will appear allowing you to name your new folder. Choose a name that helps you easily identify it later. Once you've named your folder, click Create. You'll now see your freshly made folder in your drive, waiting to be filled. Next, locate the folder that you wish to copy, click on it to open and view the files inside. If you have a large number of files, don't worry, there's a quick method to select them all. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard if you're using Windows or Command and A if you're on a Mac. This operation highlights every file within that folder. With everything selected, press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac to copy the files. Let's head over to your My Drive section. You can do this by clicking the My Drive option on the left sidebar. Once there, locate the new folder you just created. Open this folder to prepare it for pasting the copied files. With the empty folder open, simply press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac to paste everything you copied earlier. And there you go. All the contents from your original folder are now fully duplicated in your new folder. This simple yet effective method allows you to replicate an entire folder, preserving the structure and all included files. As you get comfortable with this workaround, you might find it useful for organizing and maintaining backups of important data. Remember that you can apply the same steps to any other folders you wish to duplicate in the future. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.